or sorry, now we're going to try our new image by running that local container. So the first thing we'll need to do is figure out what the image ID is, and then we can use that to run the command, to run the run command. And what this will do, if you run the second command at the bottom, is it should print out the help for tabix, and that just confirms that you were in the container it's installed. Again, the exercise information is also in that Docker training tab shown up here, or Docker instructions. So I'm actually just going to demo the first command. So if I do docker image ls, you can see here in the first row, I have tabix v10 with here's the image ID. And that's the image ID you'll be wanting to copy. Yours will be different from mine though, or it might be different from mine. Okay, so how are people doing? 21 yeses. I'll just give 2 more minutes. Yeah, so I didn't want to go too into the build context just because it can be a bit more advanced, but I think like the Docker will also copy the build context and pass it along. But yeah, it's for simplicity, it's similar to the path. Okay, just for the sake of time, I'm just going to demo this command right here. So docker run image ID tabix. So if I do docker run this one tabix, so it's run this command here, and it confirms that our Docker image or Docker file was successfully built to Docker image, and that image had tabix installed in it. So that's awesome.